Hello, how are you? How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. So today's video is that time of the month again. Not that, but I got my Boxy Charm. So I'm eager to see what I have. Let's see. This is the card. With all the information. And the first item here is this Gold Digger Moisturizing Lipstick. And this retails for $18. Let's see what shade I got. It's a nice packaging, by the way. How pretty. Hopefully it's not red, because I always get red. It's like more like an orange type of color. I'll try it out. Let me show you a swatch over here. Oh, it's very creamy. It's kind of sheer, but we'll see. I've never tried this brand before, so I'm curious to see how it performs. The second item is by Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. That's good. That sounds good. And this retails for $46. This is $46. Wow. And it's a new launch. Haven't tried this brand ever. The package right here. Got this right here. I'm assuming is brushes. I always get excited for brushes. I don't know about you, but I love brush. Ooh, look at the colors of those. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that is super soft. That is very, very soft. I'm gonna try it today and see. So I got that one. It could be used for like contour or blush, I guess. Then there's this one, and then this one could be good for like applying and blending. $58. 3 brushes, $58. What? But they feel amazing. Honestly, it feels extremely soft. Let me show you the third one, which is an angled brush. These 3 cost $58. And this is a Boxy exclusive. I guess it's just, you can only buy it at Boxy Charm. They better be good. Then we have a brow gel. I don't want brow gels. I have no brows to gel them. I don't need brow gels. So I'm gonna set this aside. Again, I know I'm not gonna use it. Let me just show you the packaging and how the wand looks. And this retails for $22. Wow. By St. Lux Beauty, and it's in clear. But again, I know I'm not gonna use this, so I'll just give it to somebody else, which, by the way, I already have a lot of things to do a giveaway, and I've been waiting I've been waiting to reach 200 subscribers, and apparently I'm never gonna get there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the giveaway without reaching 200. So stay tuned for later for the details on how to enter the giveaway. And the last item in here is this Blink Ultra Longwear and Effortless Glow Getter Face Palette. Face palette, I assume you could use them as eyeshadows, bronzer, blush, highlight. And this is a brand I've never tried either. So, and this retails for $50. Jesus Christ. This is what it looks like. Oh, that's good. It has a mirror. Take this off. People love that. I don't know why, but they do. The highlighter is at the bottom and the mattes on top, which I assume, yeah, you could use it as eyeshadows or blush. This would be a nice blush. And this one, for deeper skin tones, you can use these. And for, in my case, I could use them as eyeshadow. Let me start putting this stuff on my face. I take the brush, this one, and I'm gonna use Resilient, which is this one, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Ooh, a lot of kickback. Be careful with that. Oh, it feels so soft. You can barely feel the brush. This is so soft. It's a pretty color. It's like a peach pink. I'm gonna clean my brush, and I'm gonna use And I'm barely tapping my brush in there. These mats are working so good. They're very blendable, easy to work with. And I like that you have options. You could use it on your cheeks, you could use it on your face, you could use it as contour, you could use it as eyeshadows. So it's so versatile. It's really good and useful. Great to travel with. I'm going to use the angle brush, and I'm going to take the deepest shade, put that really close to the lower lash line. This is a good palette for like an everyday type of makeup when you're on the go or you want something simple and natural. This is perfect for it. This one. And I'm gonna pop that in my lid. Not in, on my lid. Let's pop it in here. I'm gonna do it dry first just to see. And if anything, I'll wet the brush, which I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna use Empowered, the lightest shimmer. Just pop that right in here. See how that works. Oh wow, that's really bright. I'm gonna use that same highlight, the lightest one, and just pop it right here in the brow bone. Do I dare use this as a contour? I don't know if it's gonna be too... I'm scared. Oh. It's so pigmented. Now I'm gonna clean my brush, and I'm gonna use the lightest pink right here as a blush. I'm gonna mix these two and use it as a highlight. Very blinding. Very blinding. I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyes. I'm gonna put mascara, eyeliner, and the waterline, and I'll be right back to try out the lipstick. Now I'm gonna try the lipstick. It feels soft. It feels really good. Not the shade that I like on me personally, but it feels good. This is the final look. I gotta say that I really like this palette. I mean, it's perfect for everything. You could use as a contour or bronzer, highlight, blush. You got different highlighters. You can use it as eyeshadows. I mean, it's very good. I like this, and it's really buttery and creamy. Super easy to work with and super blendable. Love this. And you get a mirror. The brushes, I think that is my favorite thing from this month's box because they are so super soft. None of my brushes are this soft. This is beyond soft. I mean, it's like a feather. That's the best way I can describe it. It's like a feather on your face. And who doesn't like that? And the lipstick, it feels good. It's very creamy. More like a satin finish. But I don't like the shade. So that's just a personal preference. But I think the quality is good. Let me tell you how much the box was worth this month. It is $194, and the box, I only paid for the box $30, so that's very good. On to the giveaway. Okay, so I've been piling up stuff that I know I'm not gonna use, and like I said, I was waiting to reach 200 subscribers, but it's been so slow that what I'm gonna do is, oh, and this box is heavy. The shipping, I don't want to know about the shipping. Speaking of shipping, let's start there. It's only gonna be US only and Puerto Rico, because shipping is expensive nowadays and I can afford it right now. In the future, hopefully, and hopefully soon, I could do an international giveaway, but right now I can't. It's just gonna be US and Puerto Rico. And I'm gonna add this one to the box now because I'm not gonna use it, which is the brow gel. And I think there's another brow gel in here, if I'm not mistaken. There's a whole bunch of things. I'm gonna include that brow gel from Saint Lux. I have Ofra banana powder. I have Louise metallic foil liquid eyeshadow. I have a primer here from Alamar Cosmetics. I have a lip enhancer. This is from Essential. There's a whole bunch of things in here. I have a brow pencil and brow gel. This one brings both the brow pencil and the brow gel, and it's in this color. I have a MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Russian Red. I got a palette from Artist Couture, this Caliente palette. Let me just show you the colors. I have the Trend Beauty Unicorn Dust. This is a highlighting palette. This is Double Date Lip and Cheek. You can use it both as for your lips or cheeks. And this is from Wonder Beauty. Let me show you the color. Oh, it has tape on it, so I don't want to open that. And by Dragon Beauty, this is a color corrector. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products in here that is waiting for somebody. Now I'm going to tell you the details of how to enter the giveaway. Well, first you have to obviously be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button on this video, and you must be following me on Instagram because that's the way I'm going to contact you in case you win. I'll let you know in Instagram so I can send you a message over there, and my Instagram handle is in the description box, and also in the beginning of this video I always put it at the bottom of the screen. Follow me over there and send me a message saying that you want to enter the giveaway, and then come back here and leave me a comment in this video saying that you did follow the rules, and you send me a message over there so I can check and verify everything. Also, this is just gonna run for a week. I'm gonna upload this tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 21st of September, and I'll contact the winner next Tuesday, which would be 28th. Oh, have your Instagram public for just for this week so I can verify everything that you're following me, and so I can contact you in case you win, because if it's private I can't contact you. So just keep that in mind and just have it public at least for this week. I'm not picking out the winner because I can't. I can't. It would be too hard. So a random generator is gonna pick out the winner for me. Once you start letting me know that you want to enter the giveaway by messaging me through Instagram, I write down your name and put all of your names in the random generator, and the generator will pick out a winner. So good luck to everybody, and if you don't win this one, there's gonna be more giveaways. And I'm also thinking about doing one of nails, because I know I have a lot of subscribers that do nails and stuff like that, so that would be in the future, hopefully soon. So good luck to everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.